All right, so welcome back. So we talk about WhatsApp broadcast. WhatsApp broadcast is a feature that allows users to send a single message to multiple recipients simultaneously without them being in a group together. Yeah, it enables the sender to reach out to many contacts at once with a personalized touch, as recipients receive the message as a direct, intimate communication. Unlike WhatsApp groups, where all members see each other's responses, messages sent through a broadcast list end up in the recipient's private chats. Yeah, let me explain this. Um, WhatsApp broadcast is quite good, and it's actually what I use more often than WhatsApp group. Mm, WhatsApp broadcasts is a kind of it's a feature. It's a feature that gives you the opportunity to send message to a personalized message to all the people you added in that broadcast without you necessarily putting them in a group. You know, one thing about group is it's better to create a group when probably you want to manage a group of people chatting and doing stuff. You understand? Or you want them to be together, to know each other, to interact with each other, okay, or to interact with one another. You understand? Then you put them in a group. And when you want people to interact, but what if you want to send a message to get to many people? But you don't really need them to actually be in a group and interact. You just want your message to get to them individually. And when you get to them, they will many of them might assume, unless if you tell them that it's a broadcast, some might assume that you send them like you message them normally, the way you chat them. You understand? Especially if you do it very well. If you don't want them to know that you're sending it as a broadcast, they might assume that you just send them a message personally without sending it to other people. You understand? So it's quite good depending on the use case and where you want to use it. In my own case, I use WhatsApp broadcast most often for my online marketing to market my training. Okay, so I use more of WhatsApp broadcast than WhatsApp group. Okay, because I kind of want to chat with people individually. You know, I understand from my experience. I mean, it's when you chat with people and you talk with them, they tend to trust you more. They tend to connect with you more and buy your product faster than when they are just in a group. Do you understand? The group has its own advantage too. Okay, good. But when people connect with you individually, they talk to them, they ask you a question, you answer their question. I think they tend to respond quickly from my experience. Okay, I've tried WhatsApp group and WhatsApp broadcast, and I think broadcast works better for me. I don't know about you. Maybe you can also try and see which one works better for you. Okay, good. But just that, I mean, I think that is it. Then, how can you create a broadcast? To create a broadcast, just the same way you create a WhatsApp group. Just you go to your you open your WhatsApp. Just click on three dots here. Then you're going to see new broadcast. So click on it. Then you add people. Okay, you add people to the broadcast. Then after adding them to the broadcast, then you can send them message in that broadcast. Okay, so once you add them to the broadcast, you can chat them in that broadcast and send them message. Okay, my broadcast is not here. I would have shown you. Okay, let me see if I can create a broadcast right now. Okay, let me create a broadcast right now. Let me search for my student. Let me see if I can create a broadcast that will reach my student, heroic student right now. Let me, I'll add few people here. Just want to search what I saved my student with my Ghana. I'm in Ghana right now, so let me concentrate on my Ghanaian students here. Say YGH. I will explain to you what I'm doing later. If you watch, you see that there are some people that has this YGH. So this is what I put in as a preface. I will tell you more about this later, as a preface to their name. Those that told me their name, I'll add their name after this preface. With this prefix now, I can easily know those that are my prospects for maybe for my web development. This prefix means this wa means web and app prospect, and I mean that's what it meant. Web and app. That's the prospect I'm getting. Anybody that has this wa means that they are my web and app prospects. Those that are interested in website and app development. DGH means Ghana. So this means that they are from Ghana. I hope you get it. So I can add this person. Do you understand? Then I can add more. So if you are using your phone, let me add more person. Oh, sorry, YGH. Okay, so I can add more. You can add more. You can add many. You understand? Normally, you don't necessarily need to search the way I'm searching. You just have to scroll. So the best way is to scroll, because when you search, you scroll, but you really have to scroll well to get to where they are. Because why? Hey, you see that? Now this is a better way to do it. Okay, you scroll to get to where they are many. You understand? You now start adding them. Maybe let me add more. Do you see? Because I scrolled, I can now comfortably add. But if you search them, it means that you could just want to add one, you search again, add one, which will take you time. But when you scroll to where they are now, you can now click and add as many as you want. Okay, I'm not going to add all of them, just want to show you. Okay, so at my leisure, I will take my time to add them, add all of them. For now, I think I'm good. So you add everybody that has this. I mean, we'll add everybody that has this prefix. I will tell you more about this prefix later. Okay, good. So that's it. Then you click. So that this is a broadcast created. We have 20 recipients in this broadcast. All right. If I type anything here and send, all of them will get it. But note, please, only those that will get it are people that also saved my number. The way I saved their own number. Anybody in this broadcast list that did not save my number will not get the broadcast if I sent it. Okay, so you see that on WhatsApp, your major job, your major task is to persuade people to save your number while you save their own number. We are going to get to that point. Okay, so I will explain to you how to do it so that a lot of people will save your number. Okay, then you save their own number as well, and how you can save a bulk number, how you can save number in bulk. We're going to talk about that much later as we move on. Okay, very good. So that's said. Now if you want to get information about WhatsApp and change the name, if you want to, you can change the name by clicking on that info. Then you come here, you type in the name you want to change. You can come here, click on add recipient or change a broadcast list name. If you want to change the name, you can now type in heroic students. Let's say heroic students. Okay. Our heroic students broadcast, whatever the name will be like this. Do you see that? Good. So the name is changed. Then if you want to add. If you want to add more people, you can add. Just click on add here. Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay, so that's all about WhatsApp broadcast you need to know for now. Okay, just know that the key thing is, even before you create a broadcast, you have to save your prospect's name, and you add a prefix that will help you to remember why you saved your name and what their interest. Okay, maybe the product you are selling, which product are they interested in? Because you might be selling many products, and one customer might be interested in one product, another customer might be interested in another. So you have to categorize them, and with this prefix, it helps you to categorize your customers, okay, to know how to put them in different broadcasts, and they send them different personalized messages. Okay, so that's about creating WhatsApp broadcasts. Okay, now let's continue. Now WhatsApp broadcast marketing. WhatsApp broadcast marketing. There are two ways to market on WhatsApp broadcast. We have full broadcast and conversational broadcast. Full broadcast and conversational broadcast. Okay. I don't know if we still have enough time to finish this one now. Okay, I think let's drop this now. We start another one to talk about marketing, because WhatsApp broadcast marketing, because it will take a bit of longer time to talk about. Okay, so let's drop. We start in the next lecture. We talk about the full broadcast marketing and a conversational one. Okay, thank you so much.